Hey guys, so today we are taking a look at an interview that I conducted while at the International Art Materials Trade Association, a huge art supply convention, and today we are talking to ColArt. Now, remember how I said Fila carries pretty much any art supply you can think of? ColArt is another major art supply distributor. They carry Liquitex, they carry Winsor Newton, and as we're going to discover in today's interview, they carry several other brands as well. I am particularly excited by what Winsor Newton is coming out with in 2024 and 2025, and I can't wait to show you guys what we can expect from art supplies this year. Hello.
This is Christine, our Liquitex brand manager.
Hi, nice to meet you.
So we have Liquitex bio-based heavy acrylics and mediums that are coming out.
What makes it bio-based? Is it a casing?
So this, instead of using non-renewable, renewable resources. Thank you.
We're using renewable resources, so it's things like crop waste.
Very
algae,
cool.
So
Yes.
anything that's renewable. So usually acrylics are made with non-renewable resources like petroleum based. So 50% of that is being reduced by the use of renewable resources. But basically what we can do is break those down and then like at a molecular level and then build it back up with the petroleum as well into building an acrylic. So this is still an acrylic paint, compatible with all other acrylics, and we're able to maintain all the quality attributes that professional artists would expect. So it's still archival, light fast, high pigment load, and it has a thick consistency, so very similar to our heavy body acrylic paint. Some of the colors do dry a little bit more matte,
But that might be a property some people really like. So people are, So
The actual box are recyclable.
oh, nice.
Materials as well.
Just add some one of the gloss mediums on things and
So heavy body range that's out there, like the 59 most series is our first initial size. This is the same price point per milliliter. The little differences is in a large. Right?
Yeah.
59. So, again, equal.
I wish this was around when I was in college because they had me painting 4 foot by 4 foot canvases and I was eating your paint, and this would have been just such a better fit. That is super cool. So what else is new? What else is going on?
Around this, I will show you. So we have the Liquitex recycled canvas that was introduced last year. It's a canvas that's made at 100% recycled plastic bottles. So actually here on the canvas, you can actually see by size how many recycled bottles are actually to make the canvas itself. So transfer to like cloth material. Overall, again, similar to any other professional cotton canvas, it's going to act like a duck, right? It's going to behave like any other canvas itself.
But you get to feel better about using it.
Sure thing.
Especially if you make mistakes.
Yeah. Yes, that happens from time to time. The only thing is it's probably a little bit heavier weight just because of
but I could see some people really liking that.
Very much so. It can be used for oil and acrylic.
Nice.
Obviously, it's kind of led with the acrylic side of things, but yeah, had some nice results with it. We work with Waste to Wear, a company that does a lot of transferring over in terms of the recycling program. So again, professionally grade canvas. We've got 10 different sizes between traditional and deep edge. There's also a canvas roll.
I was about to ask about that for those who must stretch it themselves.
That's right. So
that's cool.
Canvas is triple prime. So again, something we really believe in. It's certainly been quite popular, especially in certain regions. But we're continuing to push that out there as.
So what else? What other products are following this more eco-friendly initiative?
Yeah, I would say our Liquitex brand itself.
They're leading. Okay.
Leading the charge. I will say, within some of our other brands under that umbrella, Winsor Newton, we're doing a lot of packaging changes.
Nice. I'd love to see those. I'm a watercolorist, so that's where my heart is.
Yeah, you see that. But even our pro markers, which is our alcohol markers, they're kind of being transferred over from plastic packaging to cardboard.
Nice. Yeah.
Well, so Yeah, that is something that we're doing. It is baby steps. This is art materials, so we don't want to greenwash anybody in the sense that everything's just going to change.
Yeah. And a lot of artists are very, that is a lot of nature themes. It's very important to a lot of artists.
The big thing for us, and your viewers probably would say as much as well, as long as, it doesn't sacrifice the quality, price point is remotely the same, then, I think we have more people that are willing to take that step in the direction.
And give it a shot. Yeah.
A bit about where we are from a professional standpoint. This is just kind of a fun display and kind of putting...
Yeah, it's a good visual, too.
Sure thing. Yeah, we'll keep on going.
Yes, please. Well, we both come from a comics background originally, so the watercolor markers, yep.
So this is adding, this is essentially a marker for every surface, right? We have acrylic, we have textile, there's porcelain, you name it. It's really kind of a mix of everything out there, calligraphy, textile, actually the draw liner, fine liner. So it's something that we brought over to our brand.
Yeah, this is a newer part of the family.
Yeah, it's a German brand. The quality here is really terrific. We do have some surfaces that you can work with as well, but just really, again, showing kind of a mix and an array of how you can use as well as how you can display at stores. Or really cool in-store activations that can be done.
Yeah. Some good classes. And I know my viewers who are crafters, maybe, and artist crafters who may be particularly interested because we've done some fabric art before too. And I love, have these been washed?
Yes.
So that's what it's going to look like.
I did something on that.
Oh.
Fabric, yeah. Well. Scrim Chee, and like.
And then the acrylic markers are just hugely popular right now.
Yeah, a lot of options out there for sure. This is on par with any of the other ones that you see on there, both the acrylic and permanent sections. So, wow. Again, there's some nice sets here that are 5, 10, and even some of the larger sets overall. It does give you kind of the color scheme and in each done themselves. That's
what I was getting in on. I know we have a lot of sparkle fanatics. Wow, shots fired.
So, all right, keep on going.
Yeah, because y'all got a lot.
We do. It's brands under our umbrella. I imagine many of you guys, in terms of the big watercolors or have any of the classes, maybe from your history,
Oh, yeah, that's Cotman is where I cut my teeth. Give them a chance, yeah.
Some new colors.
I'm excited about that.
Some new packaging, some new watercolor sets. You can get an idea. Here's here. We have one of our artists.
We are tactile with the day. So these are like
8 new colors that we have coming out. Mm-hmm. Certainly has a very rich and deep history.
Yeah, y'all have been around forever, like Victorian. Yeah.
Yes.
And they hold up. That's the amazing thing, too. I've been trying to get my hands on some Victorian Winsor Newton to demonstrate, like, you can still reactivate these.
You can, and obviously times have changed, colors have changed.
Yeah.
8 colors we're bringing, they've been around at some point.
Oh, it's the historical colors. That's exciting. Oh, Tyrian purple. I love that color. Sorry. This is where I get, like, real excited. Sorry. Oh, these are all right. These are the real thing. I love that. Because there's nothing like seeing the real swatches to get an idea for the colors.
Markham's going to be happy to hear that. Yeah, just for theater. Some of the niece.
Oh, that's our
here. 6-count 5mm tubes. So these are all different theme sets that you have available. That's actually available now.
I am loving this.
This is, a few different designers. So we had Nico Dracos and then Karen Klugens there that have been designing of those.
And this would be the revival. This is what we're looking for.
So that is the revival tube selection, correct.
And do y'all have dot cards?
So we have a small sample here. There's going to be more that'll be coming out. I think we ran out already.
Understandable. Everybody's excited about it.
We have it there.
Ooh, it's very nice.
Watercolor markers. We have the Winsor Newton Pro Marker series here, but that doesn't need a variety of our graphic arts models and calligraphy and drawing inks as well.
So these are going to be fantastic around Christmas. And there's a how-to guide too, very nice. Yeah. That's a good price. Yeah.
Yeah, it does have a little bit of everything: brush, paper pad, marker.
And again, the how-to guide, which is wonderful because, like, for my audience, the all-inclusive kit is really important because artists love to give the gift of art to other artists, and this makes that accessible. Yeah. That is exciting.
I don't know if here's maybe the big one for some of your guys and anybody that have kids at home. We are part of Snazaroo, which is a face paint brand.
Yeah.
Teaming up with Grandma and pushing forward the Paw Patrol Snazaroo paint version.
I do know some parents who are going to be excited about that. Some aunties. And some aunties, yeah.
Right. We've got, summer parties. You're going to have Halloween upcoming. So, yeah.
Do these include the instructions on how to replicate the designs?
There are how-to guides.
Oh, perfect. Yeah, there's going to be a lot of parents who are going to like that and also hate. But, they'll buy it.
I have two of my own. I sympathize with it. Yes, 100%. But yeah, that's an exciting one in a themed version.
Yeah.
Expand is now we're getting a little bit more involved in it.
Yeah, and that's so smart, too, because it's going to make it really accessible. The parents are going to see this. They're going to be able to do this, and the kids are going to be happy because they're going to look like their favorite characters.
Yeah, and my kids will probably be in it for about 3 days, and then they'll wash their face then, right?
Yeah. It'll be all over. Oh, that's a question. Yes. If they sleep in it, is it going to get all over everything? Because it's face paint?
Should be fine.
All
I
right.
don't recommend sleeping overnight necessarily, but it will wash up.
Oh, good. Awesome.
There. A little crowded here, but what I will tell you is Conte, which a lot of are looking for student kids. Super.
It is, yeah. I used it in grad school.
We have some new sets here.
Oh, those are beautiful. Y'all have really stepped up the packaging. I love this. Love the reusable packaging that can be, you can keep it or you can add additional pencils as you acquire them and they'll fit. I love that.
Some other brands here on the other side. Oh, sorry, to kind of go around. So, see, well, no. So we have in the middle.
I'm excited about this.
Conte Bourgeois in the middle here is our vinyl paint. So that is a matte finish. And that is right here on the right here.
This one here? You look.
Very straight to the metal, wood, different.
Very cool. I see that. Yeah, that's awesome.
Point in time, and then we have Charbonnel sketching in printing inks for that student and professional variety. Some of those. To a little bit of the screen printing.
Yes, yeah.
We're fully on board with Charbonnel as of today now.
That in the packaging is gorgeous, as always. Y'all have such classy packaging.
So that's kind of the little bit of everything there. Hopefully your viewers there got to see
and get excited about it too. Because I have people I have parents, I have people who are acrylic artists, I have a lot of watercolor comic artists, marker artists. So I'm really excited about your revival paint, like stupid excited about your revival paints.
That'll be out a little bit later this year, so maybe the July-August time frame. So
good. I will be stalking.
We're good.
All right. Thank you so much for letting us talk to you.
Sure.
So it was very generous of the product rep with ColArt to take the time to show us around their huge booth and to show us some exciting new art supplies coming from ColArt. I am the most excited. I am so excited. I'm crazy excited about the Revival watercolors because they include Tyrian purple, a color that I love, and I think it is a really good color for mixing shadow colors for skin tones, but it's really difficult to find. So I am going to be looking forward to that the most. What are you looking forward to from ColArt this year? Let me know down in the comments. I hope you guys, if you haven't yet, will consider subscribing and clicking the bell notification so you don't miss any of my NAMTA interviews that are coming up. And if you haven't checked it out yet, we already talked to a rep from Fila. So that would be Canton, that would be Strathmore, that would be May Marie Blue. And we also took a look at the vlog. I did a vlog all week long for NAMTA. So if you're interested in a huge art supply convention, make sure you check out that vlog. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you guys again soon with another art supply review, maybe an artist chat, artist vlog, or tutorial. Bye guys!